Well, the Congress High Command has summoned Karnataka Congress President D.K. Sivakumar and the former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to visit Delhi on the 19th of July. Sources say the focus will be on working out a plan and a strategy to build the brand image of the Congress in the run-up to the elections. Shrija joins us for more on this. Now, Shrija, on the face of it, this is a meeting that has been summoned for chalking out the road ahead in terms of election strategy. But there is so much of context and political background to both these leaders being summoned by the High Command, in all likelihood, to just resolve the differences between them.
Well, that's one major reason what we understand that D.K. Shivakumar, the KPCC president of Karnataka, and also the former chief minister and the leader of opposition, Siddaramaiah, both of them have been summoned to Delhi. Now, the meeting will take place on Tuesday, but however, we understand they will be leaving for Delhi. This is on Monday. What's also important to understand, remember, over the last few weeks, we've been seeing how both of these leaders now, in fact, they are stalwarts here in the Congress party in Karnataka. Now, they have been at loggerheads for several instances, making public statements. And also, we are looking at where several of the loyalists also coming out and making statements like Chief Minister. In fact, Siddaramaiah will be the probable candidate for Chief Minister in the run-up to the 2023 elections. So this could be one of the reasons what we understand that both of them have been summoned to Delhi. In fact, for the discussion, we understand Rahul Gandhi will also be present. Apart from that, we understand even Randeep Singh and K.C. Venugopal also will be present. Now, the most important thing to be understood here is that apart from the differences that we're looking at, we are also going to look at discussions as far as the office bearers are concerned. In fact, D.K. Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah, both of them have sent out a separate list as far as the office bearers for KPCC, for the state is concerned. They have submitted this list. So this is also something that will be discussed. Now, it is important to understand at a time when we are looking at leadership row change in Karnataka is concerned, we have been seeing several, discussions which has been held at the state level and also at national level as far as BJP party is concerned. Even Congress is, of course, not leaving any stone unturned, also understanding, giving a very clearer picture to Karnataka, saying that, of course, there is no differences. Now, that is something we will have to wait and watch out what really comes out of that discussion.
Okay, Shrija, thanks so much for that. These two leaders have been bickering in the past. They've also had several MLAs come out and support either camp. It will be interesting to see whether the High Command perhaps has more luck striking a truce between these two compared to what's happening in Punjab. Shrija, thanks so much for that.